Anak, show tita and tito your Barbie hair, babe. How to do Barbie hair? Good job, ate.
Okay, ready? And go. Up. One. Up.
Okay, makahigmi mo na. Naku, so na-cute.
Is that?
What is it?
It's just a burger on my nose.
It's a boogers.
Yes.
It's boogers here?
Kind of like grandpa.
Hi guys! Good afternoon! Welcome back sa channel natin. Say good morning. Good morning. Ayan. Ngayon lang tumigil sa pag-iyak. Ha? Ayan, nakabihis tayo guys. Kumusta tayong lahat? Kabihis tayo kasi may lakad tayo. So, kami lang dalawa ni Baby Celine, si Daddy Mike tsaka si Baby Paris, kakaalis lang nila. Nag-walking sila papuntang shops. Nilabas ni Daddy Mike si Paris una, baka kasi gustong sumama sa amin ni Baby Celine. So, yung appointment namin ngayon ni Baby Girl ay para sa kanyang hearing screening sa clinic. Dapat sana, ginawa na to nung nandun kami sa ospital nung pagkaanak sa kanya. However, because, di ba sabi ko sa inyo, very mucousy yung ating baby girl before. And, so, she snuffles, yung parang may ano siya sa ilong. And, sabi nung nagtitest, na because of that, hindi sila makakuha ng proper reading. Kaya sabi niya, we'll just, reschedule it. Punta na lang doon, magdadrive pa guys. Mga ano lang naman, 20 minutes drive, but fingers crossed, ito ay hindi magmanya. Nak no? Because she loves being held, guys. She loves being held. And you know what? Before, kay Baby Paris nung... See, this is the thing, because I tend to compare silang dalawa. Alam niyo si Baby Paris before, ilagay ko dyan, hindi yan siya iiyak. Kahit anong gawin. Hindi ko nga alam kung narinig ba ng neighbor namin before na umiyak si Paris. She's super quiet, chill lang talaga si Baby Paris, guys. And you can also tell now sa kanya, kahit na na siya, 3 years old na siya, diba? Sobrang chill lang na bata. Ito siya, chill naman siya ngayon, hindi siya umiiyak. No, let's not jinx it. But, pag siya, ayaw niyang tumigil umiyak, guys. No, she wants to be held all the time. Yeah. Say, hello, tita and tito. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. So, hindi ako masyadong anxious about this test, guys, kasi even though hindi nagawa yung test before, I know that Baby Celine is responding to sounds, to music. Actually, she really loves Filipina radio. Pag pinapatulog ko siya, guys, mas mahimbing yung tulog niya kapag naka-on yung mga music na gusto ko. Baka siguro kasi when I was pregnant with her, in the car, everywhere, naka-on talaga yung Filipino radio ko, guys. So, parang sanay siguro ang kanyang pandinig sa mga music na yun. So, she's more comfortable sleeping with that music on. Nak. Just big girl naman na itong baby, oy. So, today, she is 2 weeks and 2 days old. 2 weeks and 2 days old. Aren't you, honey? Oh, Dodo. 12:30 pala yung appointment namin ni baby girl. And, si Paris, dito muna siya sa kanyang Daddy Mike. Kasi working from home naman si Daddy. Okay lang yung pag-uwi niya, wala kami dito. Maghanap yun. Paris is pretty chill, guys. Which, you know, we're very lucky. Kasi kung ito siya, pag she's sucking, you know, like she cries and she screams and that, at least like Paris understands now, and you know, we explain to her na ganito ganyan, you have to be quiet pag si baby Celine ay malapit na matulog, ganyan, kasi kapag ito siya nagising at malapit na siyang nakatulog, ay World War Z. Nak, no? World War Z na. So, chill to siya ngayon kasi hinahawakan ko. Minsan na kahit hinahawakan ko, guys, iyak na iyak pa rin. Diba? Palangga man sa mama. Ashush, 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 ashush. See? Hello? Hello? Ayan, so ito yung pa-outfit ni Mami today. Hi, kita niyo ba? At ito yung pa-outfit ng ating baby girl. Oh. We'll put socks, and mittens, and hat, and then we're good to go. Good to go. Alright guys, chika tayo mamaya. Chika tayo mamaya. Pag nandun na kami, baka malate kami. See you later! Time check tayo. It's now 1:44 ng hapon. And kakapark lang namin dito sa labas ng bahay. Hindi na ako nakapag-vlog dun guys kasi masyadong hectic. Masyadong hectic. And also, yung address pala is very hard to find. Sabi kasi Dandenong Hospital, pero hindi talaga siya sa loob ng hospital guys. Like, it's another building. So, nagpark ako sa harap ng hospital. Tapos, kailangan pa palang lakarin. So, late kami ng 15 minutes. But, it was, yeah, sabi niya, it's fine. Don't worry about it. But, the main thing is, we've done the test, we've done the screen, so the hearing screen, everything is fine with our baby girl as expected. Kasi nga sabi ko sa inyo, di ba kanina, I'm not as anxious as like kay Paris before. Because, you know, having baby Celine at home for 2 weeks now, alam kong nakakarinig siya. Kasi nagre-respond siya kapag may, if we drop something, or may mga music, mga ganun, nagre-respond siya. Kaya alam kong nakakadinig siya. So, the hearing screen actually just, took less than 5 minutes ata. So, nilagay lang yung mga wire-wire dito sa kanyang, tenga, sa likod ng kanyang liig. Tapos, nilagyan din dito, tapos dito, and then yung machine lang. And then, yung nag-test, pinakita niya sa akin yung result na sabi passed. So, there you go. Everything is fine. And, I am so happy guys that Celine has been really good. Sabi ko sa kanya kanina na, can you please be good to mommy? Kasi if she cries guys, like she really screams, and to be able to do that test, kailangan settle yung baby, tapos tulog para they're not making sounds and you know, like movements. Kailangan talagang steady talaga yung baby. I know baby Celine has been suki and crying, and alam niyo yun, pag yung nasa bahay siya, surprisingly, nung nandun kami guys, she was very calm. Tulog na tulog siya kahit na yung nag-test ay minumove yung ulo niya, ganun. Sobrang kalmado niya pa rin. And kahit nung paglagay ko sa kanya ulit dito sa sasakyan, she is still asleep. Ngayon, she's moving a little bit, pero hindi talaga siya nagising. Ayan. So, super lucky ni mami niyo ngayon. Hindi masyadong na-stress ang beauty ni mami niyo. But I think she's starting to make some movements now. So, ipapasok na natin yan siya sa bahay. Ewan ko kung makikita niyo siya, guys. Ayan siya. Ayan. Naipakita ko na ba sa inyo yung mirror na yan before, guys? Binili namin para makita ko siya sa likuran. Ayan. Tulog na tulog. So, while I was there, bumili na rin ako ng coffee kasi meron silang cafe malapit sa hospital. Ayan. And then, Daddy Mike and Paris, they're home now. Kakapasok lang namin. Kakadede lang din ng ating baby girl. Here's our Ate Paris. No, say hi to Tita and Tito.
Hi.
Say hi, guys.
Hi guys.
Welcome back.
To our channel.
Show them your glow stick. Show them your glow stick. Come on. Sit up. Ayan. Tulog ko. Tulog. Bisha. Show.
I don't know.
Where did you get that from?
Shops.
Shops? Who bought you that?
Daddy.
Daddy. Did you enjoy the shops?
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
What did you do there?
I don't know. I did.
What did you do?
Play.
Play? Did you jump again?
Mm-hmm. Play that.
Did you walk to the shop or did you use the pram?
I did the prom.
Use the pram? Did you? Do you look like baby Celine?
Yeah.
Do you? Who gave you the ribbon, birthday girl? It's not your birthday.
Yeah, I got two ones.
Yeah, who gave you that?
Hey.
It says birthday girl, but it's not your birthday yet.
This.
No. Not until next year.
Let's see.
Do you know when your birthday is?
Hello.
Do you know when your birthday is?
I don't know.
March
March
4.
4.
When is your birthday?
You have this one.
March 4.
If it's my birthday, you also will give you this penguin.
That's right. Anak, show Tita and Tito your Barbie hair, babe. How to do Barbie hair. Again, one more. Shush, pinalabyog lugar. You're so cute, no? Are you beautiful? Kiss lang, baby Celine. Kiss baby Celine.
Very good poo.
Good girl. Binabantayan niya ang kanyang kapatid.
I will take care of baby Celine.
What is it, Nak? You'll take care of her? Oh, shh. We just started giving her the pacifier pala, guys.
Just
Comfort her. Don't disturb her, she's sleeping. Good job. Time check. It's 4 o'clock. Tingnan nyo. Sleeping bear. Sleeping bear. Silang dalawa ay natutulog.
A few moments later.
Someone is awake. Hello, Ate Paris. Did you have a good nap? Did you have a good nap? Oh, sure. Sabi pa niya sa akin kanina, guys, Mommy, can you sit next to me? Gusto na pala niya matulog.
I'm just making a blanket.
Yeah, put a blanket. so you're not cold. Did you dream? Magdidi daw siya, guys.
Baby.
Tignan mo, oh, sobrang laki na, oh.
Baby.
Tigulang naman ka na. Nakalugar siya upa sabak, guys, kay the other one sleeping.
And the other one is awake.
The other one sleeping and
And the other one is awake.
biglang nakayo ka na, oh. Tingnan mo, guys, oh. What are you watching now?
Ben and Holly.
Ben and
Holly.
Holly.
I remember Holly.
Hmm? You remember her?
Yes. Look, that's Lucy.
Lucy.
Now,
Ito muna, anak. Tulog pa. So now I'll get a chance to wash the guys. Yung mga ang tawag dito. Muslin wrap ni Inday. Ayan, laban ko to. Para nako, umiinit yung ulo ko sa aming washing machine ba. Tapos wala na yung warranty. Sabi ni Daddy Mike, we'll just have to get a new one. Time check. Time check. It's 4:05. And nasa kitchen tayo kasi nagugutom si mami nyo. And so happy kasi nagpalagay ang ating baby girl, guys. So nandun siya ngayon sa kanyang bassinet. Hindi siya nagising nung nilapag ko siya. So, winner. Winner. So, nagutom ako, guys. And alam niyo, sa Daddy Mike kagabi, yung ginawa niya, nagluto siya ng mga ng pasta, ganun. Tapos, nilagay niya sa mga containers na ganyan para in case na parang gutumin kami and yun, like, si mami nyo ngayon, like, hindi na ako nakakapagluto, guys. Kaya hindi ko nga malapag-lapag ang ating baby girl, di ba? So, sobrang busy at the moment dito sa bahay. So, very good idea. Naisip ni Daddy Mike na magluto ng pasta and then just keep them in the fridge. Ganyan. Para kung gutumin ka, grab it, put it in the, ang tawag dito, microwave. And I'll put it for 3 minutes. And then may makakain na tayo. Oh, smells so good. Ayan. Sobrang sarap nito, guys.
A few moments later.
We're gonna go for a walk.
I just stopped pushing.
You stop pushing.
Yes, okay.
Just gonna go to the park, guys.
Whee!
Sabi ni Daddy Mike still working. Nilagay lang niya yung sarili niya ang break para daw makalabas ang 2 girls niya before the sun sets. Makalanghap naman ng fresh air. And baby Celine is still sleeping, guys. Iba talaga kapag nakaswaddle ba. Kasi mas matagal yung tulog. You're not cold, anak? Excited na naman yan siya. We're so lucky that we have park just across the road. Alam niyo ba na dapat sana yung lockdown namin is hanggang lang, September 2. Ngayon ay in-extend nila kasi kahapon meron dito sa Melbourne, Victoria. Meron kaming 92 cases. Kaya i-extend nila. Pero hindi pa namin alam kung gaano katagal. So still, hindi kayo makakaalis, guys. So dito lang kami sa park. Ito lang yung nagagawa ng mga tao.
Oh, that's it there.
No, no, no.
What is it, Nak? Do you wanna touch your puppy? Nak, do you wanna touch the puppy? Alina.
But they're not funny.
Hmm.
You wanna come and do the obstacle course?
Huh?
You wanna come and do the obstacle course? Come on. Let's go on that and see who can win.
Mommy! Mommy, and Daddy, and
So, ayan guys. Talaga si Daddy Mark. Mini-make sure niya na nakaka-release ng energy si Paris na hindi lang sa loob ng bahay. So, kahit dito sa park lang. Ganyan.
Okay, ready, stay, go?
Go.
This one, this
Better go fast because I'll catch you.
Go Paris! Go Paris! Go Ate Paris! Well done!
But I don't know if Paris. I'm gonna.
You're Ate Paris.
I'm going off mine.
Are you?
Yeah.
Okay. Ben the elf daw
Gotta
siya.
win. Gotta go in.
Wow!
Uh-oh.
Oh, mahirap kasi naka-jeans.
Uh-oh. Daddy's gonna win.
Oh, not quick, honey! Whoa!
Oh! Daddy's gonna win.
Well done, honey. Nearly there, sweetheart.
Oh! Don't fall.
Tapos kami, na baby Serena, ikot lang kami dito guys, so ilang laps. Tingnan natin kung... Ashush! Tulog na tulog pa rin. So we'll just do a few laps here.
Up, up, up. Now jump backwards, like this. 1, 2, 3.
Okay,
Ready? Watch Daddy. Watch Daddy first.
Okay.
Oh!
Sleeping baby.
My. Put it in the floor.
No, put it back here now.
Why?
Please. Because if we move, we might leave it. Come on.
Show me how you do the jump across. Do 10. You ready? 1. 2. 3. 4.
Great job, Paris.
5. 6.
Whoop.
6. 7. Oh!
Good boy. 3 more.
8. 2 more. 9. Last
Good
one.
baby.
Good job.
How much you got?
Out on 2 hands. Okay, ready? Go. Up. Okay, go. Across.
Well done. Good job.
Okay, ready? Yeah. Up. Now, hold it. Hold. Okay, pull yourself up. Up, up. 1. Up.
I can do it.
Okay, go. 2. 3. Go up. 4.
Wow, so strong.
Again. 5. Again. 6. Up. 7.
Go at the
Hey.
Paris.
9. One more, mommy. Oh!
10. Wow.
High five. Well done.
So strong.
Okay, ready? And go. Up. 1. Up.
Okay, makahig
Yeah,
mo
hold
na.
steady then. Okay, ready? Up it. 2 hands. Hold 2 hands. Okay, ready? Go. 1, 2, 3, 4,
Well done, Paris.
5. How many gotta get to 10? 6. Down. Up. 7. 8. 9. And 10. Yay!
Now, now.
Now we're gonna go for a walk. Come on.
Where?
Come, Mommy. We're gonna go.
You mean jungle?
I know what we're see to guys.
Free, free.
Which one?
Any Bob? You know what? No? Kapag this is the kid. Takan kay unod guys, grabe. But yes, see, they don't use it anyways. They don't eat it. No,
Lucky with an athlete.
Come on. No, they'll call the police. So we just went for a walk, just 1 block. And then we're turning right here. And then we're gonna go home. Because it's starting to be really, really cold now. So happy I've got this. I don't know how I can walk with the shirt on. And I've got this thick jacket. There's the go, careful nak. Daddy's got thick skin. Ah, yeah. The voice. This is the voice. Yeah.
A
Okay.
few moments later.
Talk to her. Whoa.
His different like eyes, my.
Yeah. She's wet. Oh, with the milk. She's wet with the milk.
Wait.
Huh?
Look at this bucket.
Yeah, I know. It's so cute.
I should get a bucket
Talk to
there.
her, anak.
It's okay.
Ay, no. Don't cry, anak. That's Ate Paris. Hmm?
Just me. I've got a glow stick.
Show her your glow stick, nak.
He love it.
Yeah.
Oh, he love it.
Yeah, she loves it. What's the color of your glow stick, Ate?
It's green.
Green. Do you like this one, baby Celine?
I guess I do. It's me.
Yeah, you like that one?
I should.
Cute.
When I'm a baby, I just look at this one.
Oh, really? When you were a baby? What are you now?
I'm a baby now.
Oh, you're big now? Yeah, you're a big girl now?
That's right.
Sorry. Ay, shush! Ate Paris is big girl na daw karon, nak. You're the baby na ba?
Open.
Ah, Josie.
I'm holding my finger.
Yeah.
What are you holding my finger for?
Wow. It's okay. There. I can smell, nak. I think you pooped, nak.
No, I did.
You did?
No,
Sure?
no.
I think it's baby Celine then. There, baby. It's okay. I know it hurts. Wipe your tears away. What color is baby Celine's eyes na? Oh, ko ito ara lagi. Dungog na ako.
I don't know.
Na, what color is baby Celine's eyes? See?
I don't know my.
You don't know? Wow. It's definitely lighter than yours, anak big. Look. Yours is black, honey. I think baby Celine is brown. See?
I'm brown nose.
Shush.
I'm brown nose.
Shush, kalibang, baby.
I want light in my eyes too.
Your eyes is beautiful, honey.
No, I want.
It's so beautiful. It's perfect for you.
No, I want
One day, when you're maybe 18, you can put contact lens. Do you know what contact lens is?
I don't know.
That's the thing that you put in your eye to change your eye color. But your eye is beautiful. You don't have to change it.
No, no.
Oh, pupupu, nakalibang na. Josh, kalibang ang baby. Okay, mag-change din ta. Change.
I don't want
Now, tell Tita what you're doing.
like a popcorn.
Popcorn. Ayan. Sabi, pumunta siya ng pantry, guys. Kinuha niya, sabi niya, I want popcorn.
I love popcorn. I got a red giant one.
Which one?
It's a giant.
A giant?
It's a way big.
Very big. Okay. So where are we gonna put it?
In the oven.
Microwave.
In the microwave. I saw Mama.
Okay, open.
I know.
Okay. And then,
Where's Mama?
5, 0, 0. Stop. Are you excited?
Yeah.
Do you love popcorn?
Yeah.
Gonna share it to Celine when she's big? Are you gonna share it to baby Celine when she's big enough?
Yeah.
Yeah.
But Slim's still little.
Yeah, she's still little.
But I'm big. I'm bigger like this.
You're a grown up.
I'm bigger like this.
No, so not yogurt.
Is that?
What is it?
It's just a burger on my nose.
It's the boogers.
Yes.
It's boogers here.
How do you like Grandpa?